All right. I'm at a point now where I really can't do anything more because I don't have any more money. So there's a bunch of things I need. I need a little rubber piece for that. I need the Bowden cable for the throttle cable. I need to do a little bit more work to the shifter and the brake. I don't have a parking brake. I need new, better ones, or I can use those, depends. I need a better shifter. I need parts for the shifter. I need to bleed the brakes and put a master cylinder on it and make sure they all work. The rod needs to go in the brake, but that has to come out because the spring's broken. I have another spring for it. But these are all things that I can do later. I have the majority of it done. It will steer. I can test an engine. And more importantly, I can put a body on this and I can bring it into my garage. I can use this for transport for a body, which I didn't have before. So I can park this outside, park the body here, and I can start working on the body because it doesn't cost anything to work on the body. So, but probably the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get into this engine. And I need to see about a fuel pump, a distributor, and a carburetor. So I know this engine runs. So probably first what we'll do is we'll rebuild a fuel pump because I have a kit for it. I have bushings for the distributor. I have a kit for the carburetor. So we'll do them one at a time as to prove their worth, you know, prove that they work right. So that's what we're going to get on next is the engine. Okay. Yay. All right, for a little bonus footage, I have my tank finished. That's a little rough. Yeah, I'm gonna get another cap, yeah. But the threads on here are kind of boogered up with this stuff. But man, is that slick. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that in there. But it's like glass in there now. Ooh, boy, that works good. That works really good. I'm really satisfied with that. Beautiful. Again, this is the original tank. It's steel. It doesn't have any rot holes in it. And it's not dented. That's like not heard of. That's unheard of for what this is. Still didn't get an accurate answer on what this is. Again, this is yellow originally. It's a 2-stroke dirt bike, and it has the name Roger DeCoster behind it. That should give you everything you got to know. Along with the tank, I have the original valve, and they had a repair kit for $18 where they had a new valve for $12. So, you know, I'm going to keep the original, but the new one for 12 bucks, boy, you can't beat it. And it looks really nice too. I tell you what, the Chinese have gotten really good at building stuff now. Yeah. Here's an example right here. It's not really light either. It's got some honk to it. Neat, neat. Look at the size of that thing for a 250. Oh, yeah, it's a 250. But look at the size of that thing. What a honker. It's an exact replica of the Keenan unit, or Keehan unit. Beautiful. 48 bucks. Do you know how much they want for carburetor for this bike? Like an original unit? I have the original one. So, I'll probably clean the original one up and put a kit in it to see what happens. But I have this also. 48 bucks. They want like $300 for carburetor for that thing. Used. The price of old dirt bikes has went through the roof. Went through the roof. All right. Thanks, guys, for wrenching with me in my garage. Happy Memorial Day. Got big plans for that. The engine will be next. I'll be able to transport a body in the garage with that. Terrific. Okay, well underway. And thanks again, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.